Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. I'm going to show you guys how to make vegan black bean tortilla soup. It's quick and easy to throw together, absolutely delicious, and the best part about this is it is absolutely filling and healthy. You'll find all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe in the description box under this video. Please subscribe with notifications for new uploads on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So I'm going to add some coconut oil to the bottom of my pot here, and we're going to begin on high heat. And I'm using non-hydrated coconut oil. This doesn't have a coconut flavor. So my coconut oil is hot, and I'm going to add my shallots. And I just sliced them. I didn't bother to chop them up because they're going to fall apart as they cook. So to this I'm going to add celery. If you want to dice the celery, you can. I'm going to add my bell pepper. I want to turn the heat to medium-high. Just let this sweat for about 3 to 4 minutes. I just want to soften the veggies a little bit. So I let the veggies cook for a few minutes, and I'm going to add my vegetable stock. I'm going to give this a stir. And I did turn the heat back up to high because we have to bring this to a boil. I added some cumin, chili powder. This is 1 can of diced petite tomatoes. And then this is 2 cans of black beans that I rinsed and drained thoroughly. Some shredded carrots just to give it a little bit of texture. I'm going to give this a stir. And a little bit of kosher salt, black pepper, which is important. And then I have here some organic garlic. A little bit of garlic to that. Give everything a stir and bring it to a boil. Okay, so everything is boiling. So I'm going to pour in my frozen corn. I'm going to give this a stir. This is going to be really delicious. I'm going to cover this with the lid and turn the heat to medium and let this cook for 15 minutes. So here's the soup. I added some tortilla strips and some cilantro for garnish. Please add this video to your playlist and hit the thumbs up. So let's give this a try. Can't wait to try this. Absolutely delicious. Oh my god, this is so good. Guys, if you want to squeeze some lime to this, if you want to add some, hot peppers to this, you could. Also, I'm not too fond of super spicy foods. There you have it, how to make vegan black bean tortilla soup. Please add this video to your playlist, and also please leave a comment down below. And also, please remember to live and be well. Let's do what we can to come together and love one another. Thanks for watching.